A cloudless sky turned deadly within just a few moments. The date was March 27, 1977, and what unfolded on the tarmac of Los Rodeos Airport in Tenerife was about to go down in history as the deadliest aviation disaster ever recorded. Rewind to earlier that day. Las Palmas Airport, the intended destination for both Pan Am Flight 1736 and KLM Flight 4805, received a bomb threat that forced authorities to divert flights to the nearby Los Rodeos Airport. This sudden influx of aircraft created an unusual and chaotic scene, with planes parked everywhere and the small airport struggling to manage. The conditions at Los Rodeos were far from ideal. The airport lacked ground radar, a critical piece of equipment that allows air traffic controllers to monitor the positions of planes on the ground. To make matters worse, weather conditions quickly deteriorated, reducing visibility to almost zero. Scene script. Under these challenging circumstances, a deadly miscommunication occurred. KLM Flight 4805, under the command of Captain Jacob Van Zanten, started its takeoff run without clearance, just as Pan Am Flight 1736 was taxiing on the same runway. The result was catastrophic. The two Boeing 747s collided on the runway, causing an explosion that claimed the lives of 583 people. Only 61 survived, making it the deadliest accident in aviation history. In the aftermath of the disaster, investigations pointed to several factors, including language barriers, airport congestion, and the absence of ground radar. But ultimately, the collision was a result of a fatal misunderstanding between the KLM cockpit and air traffic control. The Tenerife airport disaster led to sweeping changes in aviation safety. The industry introduced standardized phraseology to minimize misunderstandings, improved crew resource management to encourage better communication and decision-making within the cockpit, and increased the emphasis on ground radar systems at airports. The disaster left an indelible mark on the aviation industry. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of clear communication, effective decision-making, and the constant need for improvements in safety protocols. Today, we remember the Tenerife airport disaster, not just for the lives it claimed, but for the lessons it taught us. It stands as a grim testament to the fact that in aviation, even the smallest misunderstanding can lead to unimaginable consequences. May we never forget the lessons learned from that fateful day, and may the legacy of those lost continue to drive advancements in aviation safety. This is a pivotal piece of our shared history, a moment that forever changed the way we fly.